Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you a very common issue with people having no hot water in their cylinders. So this is caused by the motorized valve not making the connection to the micro switch. This is quite common and it can happen because the parts are always moving. So for this I've taken the head off the motorized valve. So I've disconnected from the mains power, taken the head off so I can show you this clip. So if you do this, please either be competent or speak to a qualified electrician to sort this problem. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I've taken the head off here and I've put it on the floor, and as you can see, this is the motorized valve head. This little button here is the micro switch I was talking about, that the motorized valve is not making the connection. When I push this in, you'll see the pump turn on in about 2 seconds, and then that diagnoses your fault, that it's a faulty motorized valve head. I hope this helps someone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content coming your way.